In this video, I am going to tell you the exact reason why over 95% people lose money while trading. But firstly, I'm going to show you by making some of the profitable trades right in front of your eyes. And I'm not going to make any edits to this video so you can watch it clearly whether this all is real or not. So these are my past trades. I'm also going to select 5-second trading time frame for this strategy because I have already made 2 videos and lots of people haven't watched that. If you are new, then you are extremely lucky to watch this video, okay, because you are going to find out actually how you need to become profitable. So I'm going to select the candlestick time frame 5 seconds so that I can show you some profitable trades quickly with a very simple strategy that I have been using recently. Now, one of the indicator that I will use is parabolic SAR, this indicator. Now I'm going to combine 2 strategies. So I have also made 2 videos earlier, okay? Before this video, I have made 2 videos about these strategies. If you want to watch that, you can go to my YouTube channel and watch it. Now, I'm going to make trade of $200, okay? So you don't have any confusion at here. So let me firstly refresh it and show you, okay? And you can see how much balance I have at here. So here you can see all of these trades are of 100. So I'm going to make trade of $200 so that you can see clearly. Now, firstly, you need to understand about this parabolic SAR dot. So whenever there is a downtrend, parabolic SAR dots are above the candle. And whenever these parabolic SAR dots are below the candles, that means it is an uptrend. Okay, you need to make trade. If these dots are below the candle, you need to wait for this first dot, and in second dot, you need to make trade by clicking on buy. Similarly, if you see this first dot at the above and when you see this second dot at that time, you need to make trade by clicking on sell. Now you can make this trade in 1 minute time frame also, but I am showing you in 5 seconds so that I can show you trades quickly, okay? But it is your choice. You can even use 1 hour time frame, 5 minute time frame. That's your choice. Now another strategy what we are going to combine is, like, if you see this kind of trending candles without any interference candle of red, whenever it is green, there should not be any red candle in between. At that moment, you can, if you see that kind of pattern, you can make trade by clicking on buy. Similarly, if market is clearly falling down with all of these red candles and you don't see any green candle in the between, then also you can make trade by clicking on sell. Okay, so here you can see second dot have formed and there was an entry for us, but we have already missed it. But all of these candles are red. So what we'll do is I will make a trade in the lower direction. Now, not all of your trades are going to go right, okay? Some may go wrong. So we have made profit in this. We are using 2 strategies. Be very clear, okay? If you don't understand what I have told you previously, 2 strategies are combined in this video. One is parabolic SAR, another is trend, strong trend strategy, okay? It can be used in any time frame. Now, here's why 95% people lose the money. So the strategy that I have explained you right now is very simple, but most people think that it doesn't work and they try to find out some complicated strategy, right? And a complicated strategy is not a strategy that can give you profit in long run. What you are looking is, you are looking to make lots of profit in short term. So you need 100% accurate strategy, and you keep on searching on YouTube and you ignore all the strategy that actually works in the long term. The strategy that I have explained you right now actually works in the long term. I have been able to make profit with this strategy. Yes, there are days when we make loss. That is one thing, but profit are consistent. Of course, it is not like you'll make lots of money in one day, okay? You'll lose someday, you'll win someday, but overall it need to become profitable. That is trading, okay? But over 95% people, what they think, they deposit the money, they start to trade, and they expect lots of profit in the single day, and that's why they lose money, okay? You need to change this mindset and you need to follow either these 2 strategy, or if you think there is any other better strategy, you can comment below. I'll make video about that also by testing it, okay? That is one thing, but I would suggest you to use this simple strategy that I have explained you right now. So here you can see second dot I have formed. If you had made trade at here, you could have gone in loss. Now Let's try to find another entry point so that I can show you another profitable trade. As you can see, I have not edited any part of this video. Okay, I'm just trying to show you that yes, it works. Now here you can see all of these candles are red, but there was a green candle, so we'll not make trade in this kind of market. So let's try to find out other pair. Here you can see one dot have formed. Now let timer read 1 second and make a trade at here. Now it doesn't matter, okay, if it goes in loss, that doesn't matter. So it went to loss, no problem. You should not worry. You need to keep on finding other entries. Also remember the balance that I have shown you in the starting. So all of these candles are green, so we'll take a risk and make a trade at here. Okay, and let's see what happens. There is one dot have formed, so here is the second dot, so we made another trade at here. Now what I'm noticing is parabolic strategy is failing, but trending strategy is working at this real time. Now I can find other places. So here you can see, here also it failed. Parabolic strategy, sorry, parabolic ACR strategy have failed, right? I'll see here second dot have formed. Yes, it is failing. You should also notice this thing also while making the trade. Okay, now here you can see all of these candles are green. Okay, so here we can see a opportunity to make the trade. Okay, so but we made this trade a little bit late, so we made a loss at here. So $17,002 was a balance and we have made some loss. I'll show you here another thing also that is important. Okay, if you keep on making loss, then what you need to do, so all of these candles were red and that's why we made a trade at here, and it seems like we made a profit, $16,900. Okay, so let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving and trying to find. No, there are green candles in between, so we'll ignore these trades. Now let's again go to the start. So one dot have formed, second dot have formed, but we missed this trade and we could have made profit at here. So let's see, all of these candles are green. If this also closes in green, no, it closed in red, so we didn't make any trade. So let's keep on finding. All of these candles are green. Oh my god, it moved a little bit high, but still I think we made profit. Okay, we're already in profit at here. So let's keep on finding other currency pair. So it is still no red candle appear. As you can see, second dot strategy is failing right now, so you need to keep that in mind. So let's keep on moving and try to find other. Here you can see all of these candles were green. We made trade a little bit late. As you can see here, how beautifully it went up, right? And we made a profit, already in profit. Okay, so now I can keep on trading, but actually I'm trying to show you the strategy and the mindset that you need to have. That's why I'll end this video at here.